After all the prisoners were liberated, two of them were known by Margie's family. Mosen was a revolutionary who was a prisoner for 8 years, and Siamak was a journalist who was caught because of writing subversive articles in the Kaya. Lali was Siamak's daughter. She thought her father was on a trip, but Marjane told her she was wrong, because saying someone is in a trip really means that person is dead. Of course, Lali got hurt because of Marjane's comment. Both families, Lali's and Marjane's, were reunited at Marjane's home. Mosen was also invited. When they were all together, Mosen and Siamak started to talk about their terrible experiences they had to overcome in prison. Margin was really surprised and shocked because of those sad and unfair situations, and also because she realized that all of those people who were in prison were heroes. So her father wasn't a hero, since he was never in that situation. Margie was really excited when she finally met a member of her family who was caught, her uncle Anush. He stayed at Margie's house to tell her the complete story about his life experience when he ran away in order not to be caught, his marriage with a Russian woman, and the moment when he went back home with a fake passport, but police recognized him, so he was taken and ended up in prison. Even though these stories were sad, Margie was proud of having heroes in her family. Suddenly, Margie's dad received a call. He was told Mosen had been murdered. The same people who killed Mosen were looking for Siamak, so he and his family had to run away. Besides, Anush was arrested and then executed. Margie was crying disconsolately because she really appreciated her uncle a lot. The Islamic regime decided to close all the universities. These news were hard to accept by Margie, since she was passionate about studying chemistry and encouraged to be an educated woman. They also decreed that women had to wear the veil and men couldn't shave off their beard. Margie and her mom decided to go to the demonstration against the regime, but things got hazardous, so Margie's family decided to go on vacation. When they came back, Margie's grandmother told them the country was at war. The Iraqis bombed the city. Everything was chaos.